Welcome to Chichen Itza.
Lo que mencionaba hace un momento, ¿por qué se permite sacar las 7?
La forma como vemos el sol no tiene que parar. Mire esto.
Pero la vista no es aquí, es atrás. Sí. Los ojos están atrás.
So we've been here about 30 minutes and have to take a quick watering break because it is hot. I'll take this heat over the freezing cold any day, but man, it is hot.
Chécala, no pesa, jefe. El color que tengo puesto es el color vegetal. Aquí
Es de
pasa la
vegetales.
lluvia, pasa el sol, el mismo color resaltado. El famoso balán lengua maya, el jaguar. Ese también, el pájaro quetzal.
Ok, igual, lo voy a agarrar a la vuelta cuando me vaya.
Claro, jefe, si te interesa a la vuelta te puedo dejar un mejor.
7 recuerdos, 50 pesos. Digo, 7 bici para $3, señor. 7 piezas, 50 pesos.
Sí, hay un portable.
¿Está acá?
Okay, just taking a break here by the cenote and getting a few drinks. It's still so scorching hot, but I love it. Beautiful archaeological site. All the vendors are amazing artisans. They all do their own stuff. It's really cool. They all do their own carvings, masks, and obsidian carvings. Really impressed with how well they know their craft. All native Mayan, locally from the ancestors of the Mayans that probably lived here in Chichen Itza. Very cool stuff. Oh, a nice cold frizz. Con polpa de fruta limón. Did I say that right?
Pulpa de fruta.
Pulpa de fruta. This is gonna be so good.
There's already planned already.
No, de más que sí.
They made sitting stools for us.
Beautiful.
Perfect. And the shade and everything. Look at this partially finished snakehead. Or no, actually, it looks like it might have fallen. Yeah.
Well, probably at the root.
Yeah, at the top, like they were. Oh, yeah.
Like on the pyramid.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. So just taking another quick breather here. It's a scorcher today, and I really wish I could go jump in the ocean right now, but I'll have to do that tomorrow. If you haven't been to Chichen Itza yet, you should put this on your bucket list. This place is really cool.
This is a very deep cave.
Okay, we're wrapping up here at Chichen Itza. This has been an amazing experience today. We've seen a lot of archaeological architecture. But yeah, this is really cool. Great day. I love this stuff. Fries. Oh yes, those are gonna taste so good. Okay, really want some money, huh? Fries. Limon. Lima or limon? Limon.
This is so good.
That was a good day.
Half a day was good. No, half a day was better, but it wasn't good either. Okay, but how much that ice cream changed me, man? Okay, one of the tourist guys was saying that $100 after the price. Ahí sí.
That was a pretty epic day at Chichen Itza here in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. We had a great time, and now we have a 3-hour bus back to Tulum. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can join me on my many adventures to come. Really appreciate it and helps out a lot.